Well, here's Marduk's head. I've added a few wires and switches and batteries to it to give it something, to make it a little more neat. Lights. More of them. And even a pair of headlights. So it makes it look all real neat and fancy. These little lights are hooked up to these two big batteries here, wired up, so I get 12 volts out of them. They're about 6 volts each. I don't have a permanent connecting system yet, but I'll work something out. And the headlights are hooked up to, it's actually some little lights you put in your car, and I'm still using the demo battery, which is this little itty bitty thing right here, which provides 12 volts at, what is it, like 24 amps or something. I don't know how they get that much power in the battery, but it probably doesn't last long. And with this switch I can flick it on and off. That way you can have a switch in the cockpit that says headlights. And it will literally be headlights. I'm just using, like, some speaker wire and stuff to wire it up, so nothing too fancy, not too high a voltage or anything. But hopefully I'll be able to put the camera in permanently, since this head module is now removable thanks to a couple of machine screws right here. So be sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, bye-bye.